Hello again, guys, and welcome back to the Glamorous Studio. Well, over the last few months, we've had a conversation between all of us that although we do several videos that touch upon basics in makeup, I think there's still challenges as far as how to better your basic makeup. So while most of us have our liners or smoky eye bang on, we don't know how to take it to the next level really quickly. And with the festival season coming right at you, right around the corner, I thought it was important to stress upon simple ways in which you can take your makeup up a notch, whether it's a smoky eye and you want to add color to it, whether it's a liner and you want to add a pop of color to it. So this video in particular focuses on a very basic liner, which all of us can surely achieve, and then how in a very short span of time you can turn it into something else and dash out of the door to make it to a cool party. So check this out. Well, I'm not going to speak through the beginning half of the video because it's a basic liner that I'm doing, quite an elaborate thick liner, but the next part of the video I'll take you through with the brushes and products. So I'm going to get started with a very basic black liner. Make sure that it's balanced because I'm sure all of you would want it balanced. So just a gel eyeliner and a really thin eyeliner brush. So that's your basic eyeliner done. Now I'm just going to progress to colors. Again, very easy to use colored pencils, colored eyeshadows that you think that you will toss, but you can actually bring it back into your makeup and have a blast with it. The thing is about layering. So most people tend to use one color and stop at it, but don't be afraid to layer colors, whether it's on top of the eye or whether it's below on the lower waterline. I'm going to go in with a minty green. It's a deep leafy green actually, and be generous because this is going to be the only element of color in your makeup. So color in the waterline. Then using a pencil smudging brush, look up, I go underneath and give it a good softening. And this won't take very long if you have a firm hand and a good hang of how to use a blending brush. They're very easy tools to achieve this look in under 5 minutes. I'm just going to quickly do it on the other eye. Here's the surprise bit. Most of us tend to pick up colors like this because they look nice, but then we're terrified to wear them. The thing is, you don't have to apply it all over your lid. If it's too much for you, there's ways in which you can apply it to a makeup without making it all about this color. So it's accents basically. So I'm going to show you how you can use a color like this, which is quite neon, but it's still fun to do it. Of course, if you have the guts to do it, then just by all means wear it all over your eyelid because this kind of color would look lovely in a full wash. Having said that, just to build up on small accents in terms of color, take a small amount of it and use it as a highlighting tool for your makeup. You see, I'm not really taking it too far. It's just an accent. And I'm even going to pick this up with a beautiful glitter which is quite close to this tone. Okay. And don't be afraid to add a little, remove a little. That's what makeup is all about. Look up. So just to give it a little more pop, I'm going to add a little bit of the deeper green pencil in the corner and give it another really good smudge. Now for a little more fun, I'm going to use a glitter just to draw more focus onto this really vivid green. You don't need again to add too much of it. You can spray the tip of your blending brush with water or a fix-it spray very lightly just to keep the glitter in place. And take the tiniest amount of glitter. Again, use control, use restraint. Start with little and build it up. Look up. Just to add a little playfulness. Just take out the excess with loose powder. And a good blushing of mascara, and that'll do the trick. So that's pretty much it. So don't be afraid to attempt makeup. Don't toss things as soon as you see them. Try and make the most of your kit and introduce color into your life every day. I think it's so much fun, and there's nothing like makeup to begin doing that.